Hey Paul, wanted to send you an update on the LED controller that I want to put into my Night FPV airplane, and I figured video would probably be the best way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the screen and show you how it's set up and how it works. Right now it is waiting for a valid PWM signal and the light is flashing red. So the controller's got two modes of operation. In the first mode, it just displays a solid color and you can pick what that color is. And in the second mode, there's a bunch of different patterns that it can show. And the PWM signal that it sees when it first gets a valid signal determines which mode it goes into. So in the first mode, it'll be looking for a signal between 1,000 and 1,500 microseconds. And in mode 2 would be anything above 1,500. So let me give it a valid signal. I'll show you what I mean. I've got it bound to this knob on the Taranis. I've got it turned all the way to the left. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
And you'll see the red light will stop flashing and it'll flash green once to show you that it's in mode 1. And now it is up and running. So if we turn this knob, after a little while, it'll turn the LEDs on. And then we can keep turning the knob to select the color. And the bar will just stay whatever solid color you pick while the plane is flying. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the knob past that 1500 point, reset the Arduino, and now it's going to boot up into mode 2. So this is where we have different patterns, and I've got a few different ones programmed in. So there is one that just cycles through all the colors of the rainbow. Solid red, green, and blue, and we can animate that. Do a solid rainbow, animate that. In this mode, it picks a random color and fades in and out, and then picks a different color and fades in and out, and just keeps going. This mode will fill the LED strip with a random color, then fill it again with a different color, and keep going. Yeah, this is interesting. Sometimes the colors don't change much, so I want to see if there's something I can do to make that a little better. This is similar, except now each pixel is a different color. And in this mode, every pixel fills in with a random color. The pixels that fill in are random, and the time in between, like the pixels filling in, is somewhat random. And that's it. That's the way it works right now. So that's all the different modes. And there's another little feature on there. If you're flying and you happen to lose signal in flight, it switches over to this kind of like emergency mode. So the idea here is to save as much power as possible, but still flash the lights so you can see the airplane at night and hopefully help you recover it. So that's the way that I've got it set up and working so far. All of the Arduino code to do this is on my GitHub, and I'll put a link to that below. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything that obvious that I'm missing that we can add. And hopefully this will end up working out nice once I get it up on the wing. Hope you enjoyed the update. Have a good evening.